Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Windows Defender. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now you may have just installed some new antivirus. All Windows Defenders could keep flagging up applications on your PC's threats when they're not, and you might just want to get rid of it for whatever reason. So I'm going to guide you through the ways in which we can do that right. Now, so to start with, if you downloaded a new antivirus, one way of turning off Windows Defender is basically turning on your new antivirus, as turning on your new one basically disables Windows Defender, as they cannot both run at the same time. So the way in which you do that, for this example, I'm using Malwarebytes and I've always turned off at the moment, but if I go ahead and switch them on my settings, will have now changed and Windows Defender will be off. So now if I go to my virus and threat protection part, as you can see, Malwarebytes is turned on and I can no longer see any options for Microsoft Defender as it's currently off. Now if you don't have a new antivirus but you just want to turn off Windows Defender for whatever reason, this is also possible, so I'm going to show you the way now. So to start with, you first want to click the Windows button and we're just going to type in virus and threat protection. So once you type that in, you'll see this page here, and from here we can go to virus and threat protection settings, which you can find here, and the select manage settings. Now from here, if we did want to turn off our real-time protection from Windows Defender, we just basically want to toggle this switch at the top here off. It will ask if you're really sure, and then when we click yes, it will then be changed to toggle off. As you can see, it gives me a warning here, real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. So if you're turning this off, please plan to turn it back on, or your device, it will be vulnerable to viruses. However, if you want it to turn off quickly, this is the way, and we can switch it back on by just clicking this toggle. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.